Please, God. Nah, I'm just kidding. So I'm originally from Denver, and yeah, I had medical marijuana. It was prescription. It was for anxiety, primarily anxiety about getting arrested for marijuana. Help! Help me! I can't continue squatting. Help! Help me! You guys still washing your hands? I am. I like washing them a little too long. You know, thank you. Whoa, Doe doesn't even work at the club, just has one of these and waits. Waits. Do you guys know that people that carry these around, or a pocket knife, a lot of their life is waiting for this moment? Isn't that funny? That's so true. This is very heavy. Brian, try it. What do you think? Heavy, right? Yeah. Sha. That's as heavy as lucid motor stock. Yeah. But a huge amount of your life, if you buy one of these, is like waiting, and they're always ready. It's like a quick draw who comes a little bit too early. You know, people will be like, oh shit, this cabinet door is loose. And they're like, hold on. Oh yeah, it comes out the other side. Okay, let me take a look at it. Gotta lick this one. All right, here we go. They do that, and then, oh, we already fixed it. We just turn with our finger, and then now it's not. That's okay. Yeah, I know how to put it back together. You know what? I don't have a very good grip on that. No. I'll continue the show. I'm gonna go on. This would be so funny if this would be really funny if I cut myself. Like, not bad, but I was bleeding. And I was trying to, like, cover it up and put it in my hand because my pants are kind of red, so I was like, they won't notice. But after, like, 15 minutes, I started getting real woozy, you know? And you guys didn't know how to be like, stop performing, get an ambulance. But I do love that guy was here. Well, it's a flathead, you fucking asshole, all right? Coming up here all confident, like, oh, look, I got your Phillips head for nothing! You can take this back. Go back and return it. There's no way that thing also has a... Come on. There's no way that thing also has a... He's fucking looking for it too. He's like, shit. Last time I used this thing was in '98, God damn it. Ah! Stay there. What's your name, man? Come on out here. Were you the same guy that gave this to him? What the fuck is going on? Are you like Leatherman friends with the other guy? Are you guys so poor that you're sharing this? You bought half and he bought the other half? And at the fucking store, you're like, I want the Phillips head side. And then the dude who just gave it back to me is like, I'll take the flathead. It's not like a comedian's gonna have a tough time trying to do comedy with a loose microphone stand. And it'll be a flathead, not a Phillips. So, and the other guy's like, I don't know what the fuck he's talking about. Give me the Phillips head side. Is this yours or the other guy's? And you're at a different table? What is going on? All right. What's your name? Matt. This will never happen again. But Matt, I think we're all in agreement that thank you for having that Leatherman.
Yes, Matt! It was the right decision.
Yes. And the next time you use it in 2025. I think that's great. Way to go, Matt. And also, I did the joke where I was sawing on the microphone, and it left some pretty serious marks. I don't know if you can see that over there. So now when comics are like, why are there saw marks on the... Like, well, because the microphone stand used to be... Oh, yeah, it's no longer loose because Lance and Matt helped us tighten it up. Lance, do you have a Leatherman? Do you have a working penis? Because nobody talks about their Leatherman like that. I go, do you have a Leatherman? He goes, obviously. It's not exactly boardroom material, Lance. Obviously I have a Leatherman. I'm constantly called upon to pull it out in times of need. If it doesn't work, I just say, that's Matt's dick. Sorry, Leatherman.